Hey, what's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today we are going to see how to well, it's an interesting topic. What we're gonna do is we're gonna see how to get Microsoft Office on your laptop or PC. So basically what I am handling right now is I'm having a PC in front of me which doesn't have Word installed or any other Microsoft applications installed. So what you gotta do is, sorry for that, I'm trying to hand cam the whole thing. Okay, so as you can see when I click here new, and I don't have any of the Microsoft Office stuff. So in this tutorial I'm just gonna show you guys how it works, and what you gotta do is you have to go to your file explorer, and things you might need, well, you should have is so as I was talking before, you need the password key. So that is a 25-digit password that you can buy in the local tech store, and that would give you access to your Microsoft stuff. And you also have to get yourself the installation setup software, so that you can you should save both of them in your laptop. I recommend saving the passkey in your system in your file explorer, since it's gonna be easy for you to just copy and paste instead of like typing every single time. So let's get directly into the video right now. Let's go ahead and click on setup. So it asks me yes or no. I obviously click yes. So now it asks me for the product key. This is what we were talking about here. So I basically have it saved in a document right here. So what you gotta do is you enter your product key right here. In my case, I'll just copy paste and I'll click continue. But if you have it in paper, or if you have it outside with your hand, you just have to type it in and click continue. Since it's sensitive information, I'll enter it and I'll be right back. So after you enter your product key, you'll be presented to this screen right here where you have to click accept. So it's basically the license terms. Read the Microsoft software license terms, and you can always read it. Well, I did read it before accepting, so I accept the terms of this agreement and I click continue. And this is the main part. So you come to this screen, again the hand cam. Anyways, you come to this screen where you can customize. Obviously, I'm not gonna touch that right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and install the whole thing, and it is on process, so let's wait for that to happen and I'll be right back. So as you can see, I didn't touch the whole thing and it's like working on the installation process. So it is running, and you just don't need to like touch on the system now, or don't click on cancel or anything. You'll like ruin the whole process. Well, you can still move the thing around. Well, something that I don't recommend. Again, a lot of movement makes the focus freak out. Anyways, let's wait for it to download and I'll show you guys the final process. The process is really nearly done. I'm just waiting for it to like complete so that we can continue. Hey guys, so after the long waiting, well, it was not long, it was kind of okay. Just a few minutes waiting. So you arrive at this screen right here. It says Microsoft Office Enterprise has been successfully installed, and I can also visit Microsoft Online to get free product updates. Well, I'm not interested in doing that, but like, yo, let's try doing it. Okay, anyways, so this is well, it says sorry, the page you're looking can't be found. Looking for can't be found. Anyways, the main reason of this tutorial is to get Microsoft Word. And as you guys can see, you have everything now. Word, you have PowerPoint presentation, Office Publisher document, and you also get Excel worksheet. And you also have Office Access. So if you did see in the beginning of the video, I didn't have any of those. So now I have all of those. That's gotta be it for the tutorial. Hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech tutorials and tech updates.